Settle in, tricks. It's story time. There's a sister round the corner with the hair weave just like me. Portia Quandra wants a lace front. She cannot get it with any BT. She passes time by rolling all the trees she grows. She sits and smokes and waits. Uh-oh, am I out of Cheetos? This hood rat existence, I don't get this part. The quick ones in the shedding, needle and thread. But in the end, Shaquandra gets all the weave she wants. She even gets her nails done, acrylics with a brush. And I know you'll be here, 'cause I have food and I have 40s. The thug man of my dreams will come. I know one day he'll be strong, he'll be strapping, and his hair will be in cornrows. It won't be long now, just wait and see. I hope he's not on CPT. I'm ratchet today. I'm ratchet today.